Welcome, today I'm showing you how to hide photos and video in your gallery in your Poco X4 GT. First of all, find your standard application in this phone, gallery, this one, and go into. Next up, choose your video and photos, what you wanna hide. For example, I wanna hide this only one video. So select, and then on the bottom we got add to album button. Press it. And here choose private album. Tap. Now we got message to view the items you made private. Swipe down in album. So okay. And now we need to log in our Xiaomi cloud. So tap next. Choose your album to sync. So sync in. I'm logged in with my Google account. Okay, here I need tapping and tap to Google. You need to log in, I don't know, maybe phone number or Facebook, maybe in another option. So now need set up privacy protection password, maybe like this. And once again, tap next. Add me account to be able to reset your password. Okay. Add. And now we don't have this video here, so go into all the albums and press and hold and drag to bottom, and here we got message release to open private folder. Release privacy protection password, tap OK and enter our password. Cancel, and here we got our hide video, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.